Hey DIY queens, welcome back to my channel. I'm Create with Kayla. If you're new, welcome. Today we have a quick DIY that you can do at home, and you can go to your local Michael's and Dollar Tree in order to pick up these items to do. So I wanted to show you guys this DIY because everybody's been posting pictures about this bubble vase, so I wanted to try it out myself, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Let's get right into it.
Yeah.
Here you can see the Michael's vase for $13.49, and these beads I found at the Dollar Tree for, of course, $1. First, let's get started with cutting these beads off. I found it easy to make sure that you find the end of the beads. I think you only needed one. I did grab two, but you only need one of these. And all you do is you hold the scissors close to the bead and then cut off that little string. Now we're going to give our vase a nice wipe down to get all the dust and debris off of the vase. You need to grab you some sandpaper. The sandpaper is from the Dollar Tree. I tried to just sand it a little bit to get the end of that string off of the ball. You can see it just a little bit, but I was trying to basically just sand it down so it's kind of perfect. Now for this next part, you're going to need your handy dandy glue gun, and all you're going to do is you're going to place the dot. I put it where the string was, that way whatever end you could still see the string. I place it on that end so you couldn't see it when you glued it on there. I would recommend using, E6000 glue with the hot glue, because these will pop off with the hot glue. When placing these balls on here, there's no particular way that you have to do it. I did it kind of in a diamond shape and made a little bit of a pattern, but honestly, it really doesn't matter. You can customize it however you want it. I really hope you guys are enjoying watching this video. It's actually pretty calming to me, if I do say so myself. If you could, do me a favor, hit that like button. That just lets me know that you like this video. If you watch it all the way through, go ahead and put a heart comment. And I just wanted to give a huge shout out to Slide with Rhymes. These beats are dope, the background music that you're listening to right now. For our last step, we're just going to spray paint it with this Rust-Oleum white flat paint. Alright, this vase turned out really nicely. I actually ended up pairing it with my coffee table. Everything that you see in this video will be linked down below, and I just want to say thanks for watching.